Halor Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kinoilam Jingïania Youth Federation Sengkemi hakalai potrik naitung arajar apusan. Keleban pan jingpensyai no Chancellor jonga School Ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. Haloga jingpen menai Commission Educational Rehabilitation. Kabla penpal haka Facebook page jonga School Ba ya kabla wengno tang hadian balami ke jingpersya nik bebun kiseng bahalang bagi pait ba ke jela Meghalaya. Haga jingla yakendo Chancellor ke Ustm Uma Babul Haq dalam khidmat Chief Organizing Secretary Keseng Uba Prangkela rengkat kajian lang jong Working President Uba Alianda Nongshli bat kiwe. Kumban pen mau hang ni dang shen hadian baka sorkar Assam kala kendang na phangi ki minder Bangladeshi basa bian haga jela Assam na kalyang jong Chancellor ke Ustm ulapen menai Commission Educational Rehabilitation ban aji kai ki khon jong ki minderi khana makindup la ban peteng ki jing puli jong ki. Haga ni kajing kendo kalami ru Jingïania ka bajur hapadangin ang ilam ka Rbyf baru Chancellor jong Ustm badong ru bekaseng kanang padang satya iki khon jong ki minderi kibla sya kendang na kajela Assam banwan pule ha Meghalaya damal bawat haga jela Meghalaya ru kidang don bon ki samla ki bedok bakirdo ki bedan kam ya kajing pule.
Rehabilitation is a university scheme. In our foundation scheme, that anywhere strife affected, violence affected, riots, or even in freedom fighter, their children, if we find meritorious, eligible for our institutions, we adopt them from the very beginning. And during BTAD violence also, we have adopted many children in our school. That is mission for the school, not for the university. We have a university here. Am I right? This is a university.
Yeah. See.
Now listen, let me. Land sown for the helpless, homeless, talented children from evicted families.
That means from the outside also of the.
So why didn't you
I have
clarify
not-
the news that the Mahila Congress Pradesh? Why didn't you clarify?
Under the itself.
Yes, listen. Many people are misinterpreting. Initially, when I have given this post, everyone have appreciated.
Okay.
Then, when political statement came from Assam, then people started spreading this news. Otherwise, tell me what is negative here. This is a simple statement. Then we will come with policy that we will be adopting 10 children, we will be adopting 15 children.
Then how come? See, do you know Rbyf? You know well about Rbyf. Rbyf is strong and NGO, one who looks entire state of Meghalaya, especially in Rbyf district. So we had news that, see, you have tweet in your Twitter that everybody you will embrace. Especially we know that Assam, government of Assam now almost Muslim from Bangladesh.
Without looking it.
You have to tweet.
We have been
But,
running, listen. We have been running educational institutions. We are not at all entitled to give the reply of many political statements. That is our simple policy. Today you have come being an NGO, I am clarifying. This is a statement and people have
You
misinterpreted.
clarify one thing.
You have to clarify it immediately.
This mission education rehabilitation. Where you will establish where? Yeah.
That's why I'm telling I have my school in my Karimganj only. This is for
Here in Assam?
talented children. We don't have a school.
Not here.
Not in Meghalaya.
Not in Meghalaya. Of course.
So you
Of
clarify
course.
on the part. What the news?
You see, so many things are happening against this university. You have seen.
Yeah,
in
you
the
have
past.
seen, yeah.
Have you seen I have given any reply?
No.
Why I will be giving reply of every nonsense statement? Why? Today is a different because my university is here. You are all the well-wisher of the university. So you thought that students will be coming here for study.
As usual.
Yes,
Yeah,
as you have studied.
Yeah.
But this is talented children, not talented students. This is for the school.
Okay.
Small kids. So that is for the school.
Hadin mangil ka tu ka tweet ka mi hapo ka Twitter jong o. Kabala viral keleng te ngi na kaleng jong ka Rbyf Youth Federation. Ngilas ngokhia halor ka tu ka tweet ka jong o. Kabala mi. Te ta kadaw bangin kasi ngiwan hang ne. Banwan ban keli na u. Ba unpan sisya ya ka tu ka tweet bala tweet hang tu kat kum galapan hapo ki social media. But baru clarify hapo ki press media. balada sisya ni am kum tu. Balada kada sisya kum turu nak kalian zongi ki River Youth Federation ni apos bagi persya itu baro. Dengan airu dak jingtho in official ya ka clarification jonga dengan pensyai segi baru lang bagi press ke media. Tengi ku keseng ila suhun ya kata bat ba ngila kongu ya ke ba nak kalian zongi ula pensyai kata bat ba sakawai nak kalian zongi ka River Youth Federation ba nang ni sakmat. Ba kamde kasin ke meningkong manginwan hang ni mentakasngi ngindang yawan syewan. Namar balai bangi I hadin ba kani ka jing kendra jong kini ki jong ka government jong ka Assam ya kini ke mendari ngiting yo kita ki mendari ke manru hang ni. Hapo kani ke Ustm banwan syong sa banwan sa hang ne bat bah ko juga por bakin syong ne hang ne tin nakaliang jo Rbyf Federation nginawan laki si manang ro ban nginon pek nginwan kemi bat kham tamru ya kitu ki construction ki batray nakaliang jo kani Ustm ngin sawan ban kendang laning sawan ban pek met kemi ya ki level lesson ya ki training lesson bat kumjuru ya ki kontraktor ki bawan sabar jong kani ka jala ka jongi bat ha juga poru nakaliang jo Rbyf Federation nga karpat nga apil ya ki nongsok snong ki badai sa kanika thain kam tami ki dorbar snong ki sim ki right ba kin long ba pengor akan ni ke area ke baki don baki sa kum ki lokali kum ki beri lokal hang ni baki long ba pengor khnang ban pensuk yangi kum ki nong pek baki nong ada ya kari ba kajai benreu bat ha ka juga paru kani kam dei tang mengi ki seng ban lele ya kata ngakarpat sigi pat ba lang ba kani social media ba dei makiru menanes kemat ngin kendi benreu kalong kum ke jingkesiu tia yangi bangin long ki ba pengor bat ha juga por bang inom sya dalilai ru ba kita ki ba kendang na po Assam kinwan song ne kinwan ri tengan hang ne po jela ka jongi kene kene clear message ka ba ngi ko ban appeal sa ki pa ba kam dei tang ngi kisang balang man pa ya ta ngakarpat i pa ba kini pa lang ba kini kemi lang bagin tre rangkat ba ngi kisang balang ki badon ha po ka jela mi kalia ban pensyai pa lang ba kani ka social media ka bangi keli ya u halo ka tu Twitter ka jong u wong banga tweet Halor ka Rehab ka jong u ka badon sang tai sapo Karimganj kam dei hang ne ha po jela mi kalia te hang ni ha jalam khalia lei uang bangam don jimut I won dismui ban bu kata ka Rehab ende kadai ka ba sasnong jong u ka ba usa si Karimganj ba don arli ki school ba umut ban le ya kita ki mission ki jong u te dalai lei ro lada umut bu hang ne ro nginom sya horkit hordang lada umut ban bu ya kata mission jong u ka ba ba kumba ula kran un bu satai sapo Karimganj kene kadai clear message na kaleng jongi persya ya usar hok
Wat penleno ya kani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra